In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete cookies in Google Chrome. Whether you want to remove cookies from a specific website or clear all cookies, Chrome makes it easy. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. To delete cookies for a specific website, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then select Third-party cookies. Scroll down and click See All Site Data and Permissions. Use the search box to find the website whose cookies you want to remove. Once you find it, click the delete icon next to the site to remove its cookies and stored data. If you want to delete all cookies, go back to Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. Choose your preferred time range, check cookies and other site data, then click Delete Data. This will remove cookies from all websites and sign you out of most online accounts. After deleting the cookies, refresh the website or sign in again if needed. That's how to delete cookies in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.